In this video, I'll show you how you can upload files to Google Drive and then create a link which you can give to other people so they can go ahead and download those files or folder. So what you want to do is first head over to Google Drive and log into your Google account. Now once you're here, go ahead and go to My Drive. Here it will show you all of the files that you currently have in your drive. Now what I recommend you do is go to New in the top left and then either upload a file or folder that you want someone else to download. I'm going to just click File, and for the video we will just add this thumbnail image. So we'll click on it and we'll click Open. Obviously you would find your file. So now you'll see in the bottom right it will upload that file. If it's not in your drive yet, just go ahead and refresh and you should find it soon. Make sure though you're sorting here by last modified, and if you still can't find it, just go to recent and then it should be here. Okay, so once you've found your document, you want to right click on it. You then need to go to share and click on share again. That will then open this window, and you want to change it so general access is no longer restricted. You want to change it to anyone with the link. This means you can get a link and give it to anyone and they'll be able to download it. Then copy this link. Now you can go ahead and give this link to someone. When they open it, it will look something like this. They'll be able to see the file. They will also be able to download it here in the top right hand corner. So that's how to do it. I hope that helped you out.